If you have a small backyard and you're looking for a pool, we have several different models in fiberglass. I think our smallest option is 10 foot wide, and I think it's 16 feet long. Pretty sure on that size, so 10 by 16. If we need to go smaller than that, I do have a swim spa model in fiberglass, but if you're wanting something more customizable, I would probably push you in the gunite realm, and then we can do any size that you want. There's no size constraints there. So I would say for fiberglass, you're in that 10 to 12 foot wide, 14 to 16 feet long. Most of those are rectangular as well. I don't know if I have any curvilinear models in those, or freeforms, I guess. But in gunite, we can do I can do any size you want. If you're a little bit older and just looking for a pool to just get into and not necessarily swim laps, we have all different types of models. We're actually working with a builder in Kansas City to come up with a concept for smaller pools and more of like a patio home type setting. So they are going to be 10 by 12s. They're kind of coming off as maybe a swim spa. But yeah, we are coming up with some concepts for a builder here in Kansas City to maybe start installing those on some of his model homes.